Ah, the humble s'more. A quintessential element of the camping experience that seamlessly brings together simplicity, satisfaction, and nostalgia. At its core, a s'more is a sandwich made from graham crackers, a piece of chocolate, and a freshly toasted marshmallow. The end result is a heavenly symphony of crunchy, gooey, and melty textures combined with a sweet, smoky flavor. Let's explore how to elevate this classic campfire dessert to create the ultimate s'more experience. Ingredients: choosing the best. The magic of a s'more lies in its 3 simple ingredients: graham crackers, marshmallows, and chocolate. However, the quality and type of each ingredient can significantly influence the end result. Graham crackers. Go for the classic honey-flavored graham crackers for a traditional taste. If you're feeling adventurous, try cinnamon-flavored or chocolate graham crackers for a unique twist. Marshmallows. Regular white marshmallows are the traditional choice. For a gourmet upgrade, consider flavored marshmallows like vanilla or even toasted coconut. Make sure they're large enough to achieve a molten core when toasted. Chocolate. Milk chocolate bars are standard, but don't let tradition limit your creativity. Experiment with dark chocolate, white chocolate, or even flavored bars. Think mint, orange, or hazelnut. For a luxury touch, try a high-quality chocolate with a high cacao percentage. Tools. Perfecting the technique. Creating the perfect s'more requires a few essential tools. Roasting sticks. Long metal skewers are ideal for marshmallow roasting. They are reusable, easy to clean, and safe thanks to the distance they provide from the fire. Campfire. The key to a perfect s'more is a well-controlled campfire. You want glowing coals rather than open flames for even marshmallow toasting. A fire pit or a portable camping stove can work if a natural fire isn't an option. The art of assembly. Now for the main event, assembling and cooking your s'more. Here's how to achieve gooey perfection. Prepare your ingredients. Lay out your graham crackers on a plate and place a piece of chocolate on half of them. This setup will allow you to quickly assemble the s'more once the marshmallow is toasted. Toast your marshmallow. Pierce your marshmallow onto your skewer, pushing it securely onto the stick so it won't fall into the fire. Hold the marshmallow over the glowing coals and rotate it slowly to achieve an even golden brown color. If you like it more charred, let it catch a flame for a moment before blowing it out. Assemble your s'more. Once the marshmallow is toasted to your liking, lay it on top of the chocolate and sandwich it with another graham cracker. Press down gently until the marshmallow begins to ooze out the sides and the heat starts to melt the chocolate. S'more variations. If you're ready to take your s'mores to the next level, consider some of these variations. Nutty delight. Spread a layer of creamy peanut butter or almond butter on the graham crackers before adding the chocolate and marshmallow. Fruity twist. Add a layer of fresh, thinly sliced strawberries or bananas, or even a smear of raspberry jam. Cookie s'more. Replace the graham crackers with your favorite cookie. Chocolate chip cookies add a delightful crunch and extra flavor. Luxury s'more. Use high-quality artisan marshmallows and gourmet chocolate. Add a sprinkle of sea salt on top to create a salted caramel effect with the melting marshmallow. Breakfast s'more. Use cinnamon graham crackers, a piece of chocolate, a toasted marshmallow, and a crispy piece of bacon for a sweet and savory treat. Creating the ultimate s'more is as much about the process as it is about the ingredients. It's about sitting around a campfire with family and friends, telling stories and sharing laughter under the open sky. It's about the anticipation that builds as you watch your marshmallow slowly toast, and the satisfaction that comes when you take that first bite of gooey, melty perfection. Remember, the beauty of s'mores is in their simplicity and versatility. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors and combinations, as the best s'more is ultimately the one you enjoy the most. So grab your roasting stick and gather around the fire. It's time to create some delicious memories. Thanks for watching.